Okay? But ma is ism. Now, I am only telling you, if you want to write it down, you write it down. I do not expect you to know it by tomorrow. I don't expect you. But slowly, slowly, this thing will really make a lot of sense to you. When we do later on in book 3, detailed analysis of everything, then these things will come back to you. Right now, if you want, I'm just throwing at you. If you can understand and retain in your mind, alhamdulillah. If you forget, you don't worry. Don't blame yourself. Because we'll be repeating it, inshallah. Okay, brother? Ahadha baytun? Naam. Yes. Hadha baytun. Ma hadha, what is this? Hadha kamisun. Remember, we got to pronounce it. Kamisun. Okay, brother? Ahadha sarirun? La. Hadha kursiyun. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Hadha kursiyun. Okay. Again, what is la? It's a particle. Harfu jawab. Particle of answering. Okay. Ahadha miftahun? La. Hadha qalamun. Hadha qalamun. Okay. Ma hadha? Hadha najmun. The pictures are there, so it's easy, but I hope you will put little time and memorize the vocabs. Inshallah, it will help you. Every effort, inshallah, will make you better and better. Brother, let me tell you one more thing. This is what I believe, and I always mention in the class, and I'll mention it now, brothers and sisters. Some of you are coming from far, from Pickering, from Brampton, and maybe still further, I don't know, okay, from Oakville maybe. Brother, every minute that you are spending to come to learn Arabic, the time that you are driving, the time that you spend at home to revise your lessons, to do your homework, the time that you sit in the class, inshallah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will treat it as your ibadat. You know why? Because we are learning the language of the Quran for the love of Quran. No other reason. No dunya here. Only akhirah. We are learning Arabic for the love of Allah. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So every minute that you'll spend in the class, in your car, at home, doing your homework, inshallah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, in His infinite mercy, will treat it as if you are doing His ibadat. Because we are doing for His love and for the love of His book, inshallah. Okay. Now, brother, ma is what? And man is who? Are you with me? Now, there is another difference, brother. In the whole universe, there are two types of aql, having intelligence, or they are ghair aql, with no intelligence. Are you with me? Human beings have intelligence, but things have no intelligence. Pen doesn't have intelligence. Okay, kitab doesn't have intelligence. We have intelligence. So anything which is aql, having intelligence, when you want to find out about that, you will use man. When you want to find out about things, you will use ma. Now, the scholars define that the aql, group consists of three creations. One is the human being, other is malaika, and the third one is jinn. You like it or not, they also have intelligence. Jinns have intelligence. Okay? So when you refer to human beings, malaika, and jinns, you use man. For the rest of the things, it is ma. Are you with me, brothers? So you can say ma hadha. Are you with me? You can say ma hadha, haza kalamun. But if I point to brother Muhammad and say, I cannot say ma hadha, I will say man hadha. What will I say? Man hadha. And my answer will be hadha Muhammadun. Are you with me? I am not pointing out to female now because of a reason that I'll explain you in next class. And from next class onwards, I'll be pointing out to sisters also. If I point out to this brother, I will say man haza. Then the answer will be haza Hasan. Hasanun. Hasanun. And then if I point out to the third gentleman, again I will say man haza. I will say haza Abdul Samad. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So for human beings, anything akal or rational nouns, we use man. For gair akal or irrational nouns, we use ma. Simple, brother. So let's see now. Look at the picture, and what is the question? Man haza. Haza tabibun. What is the meaning of tabibun? Doctor. Got the idea? Haza tabibun. Man haza. Haza waladun. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Then next one, man haza, he has got his little bag, school bag with him. Man haza, haza talibun. Talibun, mashallah. Now the question. How you start your question? By putting a. Ahaza waladun. Is this a boy? La. Haza rajulun. So all these new vocabs are coming. And you got to memorize it. Rajulun, a man. Brothers and sisters, next one. Ma haza. Haza masjidun. Man haza. So it's question for and pointing out to an akil person. Okay. Man haza. Haza tajirun. What is the meaning of tajirun? Merchant. Very good. Merchant, businessman. Then haza kalbun. Dog. Okay. Haza kalbun. La. Haza kittun. Mashallah. So brother, kittun, a cat. Haza himarun. Haza himarun. Okay, brother. Ahadha himarun? La. Hadha hisanun. All these vocabs, you must do it at home. Donkey, horse, okay. Ma hadha? Hadha jamalun. Hadha jamalun. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Now next page, brother. Ma hadha? Hadha dikun. Rooster. Hadha dikun. Now again the question is, man hadha, towards a human being, pointing out to human being. Man hadha, hadha mudarrisun, mudarrisun. Hadha mudarrisun. Remember sun, huh? Hadha qamisun, la. Hadha mindilun. What is the meaning of mindilun? Handkerchief. Handkerchief. So we have to remember all these vocabs, brother. Now, ikra waqtu, read and write. Okay, brothers and sisters? Since I have the mic, I will be reading, but please read with me and read loudly. Remember, I have given you permission to scream and shout in the class now. Okay? Ma hadha, hadha kalamun. Okay, you can repeat ma hadha also, inshallah. Okay. Number 2, hadha. Sisters, I found this very difficult. And if you find it difficult, I think it's okay. It's normal, because the vowel signs are not given, So we've got to remember the vowel signs. If we say hadha kalabun, that will be wrong. Hadha kalbun, because there is a sukoon on lam. So what will you do, brother? At home when you will write, you will make sure that your vowel signs are properly put. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Huh? If you will make an effort, Allah will make it easy for us. If you won't make an effort, brother, it won't work. Okay. So, kalbun. Huh? Anytime you have a problem, whether it is a sukoon or a proper vowel sign, you go back to the first lesson. That's why I always say, we are barely in the first lesson, and Dr. Abdul Rahim thinks you know all the vowel signs. But for us, it's kind of difficult. Yes, brother Abdul Rahim.
For the body parts, would you say man? You will say ma, right?
Ma.
You will say man.
Okay, brother. Haza kalbun. Not kalabun, but kalbun. Next one, brother, loudly everybody. Man haza. Haza tabibun. Haza tabibun. Very good. What is the next one, brothers and sisters? Haza jamalun. Now, this is not jamlun, but jamalun. See, the vowel signs are very important. Okay. Next one, brother, a question. Ahaza kalbun? La. Haza kittun. Okay, very good. Next one. Ahaza dikun? Naam. Naam. Yes. Next one, brother. Ahaza hisanun? Is this a horse? La. Haza himarun. This is a donkey. Okay. Next one, brother. Haza mindilun. This is a handkerchief. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Easy. This is all halwa puri, brother. Okay. Next one. Haza waladun. Naam. Man haza? Haza rajulun. Haza rajulun. MashaAllah. Okay, brother. Lesson number 2. Do you feel like taking a break? Do you feel like taking a break? We can take a break if you wish. No, we are going to be till 12:30. This class, brothers and sisters, today was our first day. There will be more people coming because so many people have said they are coming. Inshallah, they'll come. It happens that, for some reason they cannot come on the first day, but second day they will come, inshallah. Brothers and sisters, our class timing is 9:30 to 12:30. And we'll take about 15 to 20 minutes break. And inshallah, we'll make arrangements for tea and, so that you can refresh yourself. And Fatima pointed out to me something on page number 10, brothers and sisters. At the end of the page, the question is, Vama haza. Do you see that, brothers and sisters? Vama haza. What is the meaning of va? And. And. Va means and. Okay. You know that Arabic language, you can put it into 3 groups. So what is va? Is it a noun? Is it a verb? What is it? What I didn't say was particle. So it's a particle. Are you with me? It is ataf. We call it harfu ataf. So remember, but you do not have to memorize now. I'm only pointing out to you. Later on, I will be repeating it over and over, and inshallah, you will get into your memory. So va means and. In English, we call it conjunction, and in Arabic, we call it ataf. Ataf. Okay. But as I said, you can write it down, but you don't have to really memorize it. Waw is ataf. Okay, ataf. In English, we call it conjunction. We say harfu ataf. Ma is a ism.
So is the man?
Man is also ism. Man is also ism. Huh? Slowly, we will get into it. If I say something and if you can write it, good enough. But don't, sit down to memorize it. It will come to us in the course of our class. Sister Naima? Ism? Huh? Ismun. Huh? Ismun. Huh? Which means noun. Huh? Okay. See, everything is there in the handout, Sister Naima. If it is damir, which is pronoun, then if it is adjective, it is not. And if it is adverb, it is zarf. But again, as I said, when we move slowly ahead, you will become very familiar with them, inshallah. So you got that done. And now we come to zalika. Brother, what is hadha? This. More than that, it's a pronoun. What kind of a pronoun? Demonstrative pronoun. And what do we call in Arabic? Ismu ishara. Huh? Again, as I said, don't get stressed that I have to memorize it. No. I will be repeating it and saying to you ismu ishara. After a little while, you will know it is ismu ishara. Okay. Now, what is the difference between this and that? This you use for pointing out things which are closer to you. And that you say for far things. So, both are pronouns, demonstrative pronouns. In Arabic, we'll say, Hadha ismul ishara lil qarib, for something that is closer. And Zalika ismul ishara lil ba'id. Very simple, very simple. Okay, so Hadha qalamun, Hadha bab, Zalika babun. What did I say? Hadha qalamun, Zalika babun. So when I have to point out something which is far, you just use Zalika. Ready, brother? The question, ma is same. Ma Zalika. What is the meaning, brother?
What is that?
What is that now? We are talking about that. Zalika najmun. That is a star. Hadha masjidun, which is closer to us. Vazalika. What is the meaning of vazalika? And that is a house. Hadha hisanun. This is a horse. Vazalika himarun. Are you with me, brother? Zalika himarun. Now, we want to ask a question. So, we are bringing Hamza in front. Azalika kalbun? La. Zalika kittun. That is a cat. Okay. Ma zalika? Zalika sarirun. Now we come to human being and we say, Man hadha wa man zalika. Who is this and who is that? What is the answer? Hadha mudarrisun wa zalika imamun. Imam, the one who leads us in the prayers. Okay, brother? Ma zalika? Zalika hajarun. Look at the vowel signs, brother, and try to, inshallah, understand and memorize it. Zalika hajarun. What is the meaning of hajarun? A big rock. Hadha sukkarun. Look at the shadda on kaf. Hadha sukkarun. Vazalika labanun. Now, brother, sukkarun. Okay, this is an Arabic word. In English we say sugar, but it has been derived from Arabic. Sugar is derived from sukkarun. Sugar is derived from sukkarun. Are you with me, brothers? Now, again the same thing. Dr. Abdul Rahim thinks you know all the vowel signs. No more vowel signs, but you will write down. Ikra waktub. Hadha Sister Salma, you will say sukkarun. Whenever there is a shadda, give justice to shadda and pronounce it properly. Okay? So, now you see, if I write down to you, how will you pronounce? I did not put vowel sign. How do you know it is ki, ta, bun? Because it will in your mind. So when you see this, it will come to your mind that it is sukka, shadda ka, run. Sukkarun. So every letter in Arabic, every word in Arabic, inshallah, slowly your mind, will retain it. And you will, inshallah, find it easy. Brothers and sisters, those who know Urdu, when you read Urdu, are there any vowel signs? Or ask somebody else who doesn't know Urdu to come and read Urdu paper. They'll get lost. But you don't get lost. Why? Because your mind can identify without the vowel signs. And inshallah, same thing will happen to us. But it will be a slow process and it will be easier if you put an effort into it. Inshallah. So, brother, the first was Hada Sukkarun wa dhalika labanun. This is a sugar and that is a milk. Next one, brother. Man dhalika. Who is that? Dhalika imamun. See, now you are writing mun automatically. Mun. It's not there, but you said imamun and we will say mun, inshallah. Adhalika kittun la. Dhalika kalbun. Dhalika kalbun. Ma hadha? Hadha hajarun. There is a fatah on jim. Not hajarun, but hajarun. Okay, brother. Al-kalimatul jadidatul. Okay, brothers and sisters. Imamun, hajarun, sukkarun, labanun. Do you see that dun coming? Are you with me? Dun coming. Can you see? Okay. Brothers and sisters, because this is intensive course, and because we expect you to go home and sit down and do your homework. Okay? Okay. Inshallah, we will move at a speed because we want to finish this in 7 months. Okay. Now we come to lesson number 3. Little bit, we already did what is definite noun and what is indefinite noun. Yes, brother?
What do you mean by al-kalimatun?
New words. New words. Al-kalimatu jadida. New words. Okay. Now, brothers and sisters, I must remind you, that this is intensive course. And just like taking a course in college or university, that course finishes in 6 months and you got to, if you go to a college, take a course in computer or in other field, you got to go home and study and be up to date. Same thing applies here. If you will work hard, inshallah, every day, every single day, within 7 months, you will reach a stage that will surprise you. Inshallah. That will surprise you. Inshallah. But hard work is the key to your success. And I always pray, Ya Allah, make it easy for me to teach, and Ya Allah, make it easy for the students to learn, inshallah. Allah will make it easy for us. Okay. So, what do you see? Baitun adarsu thalithu. Lesson number 3. Adarsu thalithu. Adarsu thalithu. Baitun, what is the meaning of baitun? A house. Indefinite. Tanween. Make it definite. Al-baytu. Got the idea? Al-baytu. Fine, brother. Kitabun, a book. Al-kitabu. Fine, brother. Qalamun, a pen. Al-qalamu, the pen. Jamalun, a camel. Al-jamalu, the camel. Now we come to Al-kalamu maksurun. What is the meaning now? Tell me, translate, brothers and sisters. Al-kalamu maksurun. Say it loudly. The pen. What did you say? The pen. Huh? You started the sentence with the pen. The pen is broken. You started with the. Huh? Okay. Now we go to page number 4 in your handout. Keep your handouts open, brothers and sisters. We are all adults here. Inshallah, you will understand very well. Huh? What we are covering in one session, brothers and sisters, it will take 2-3 sessions in the weekly course, Okay. What is sentence, brother? When you say a sentence, in Arabic we'll say al-jumlatu, al-jumla. Huh? The sentence or a sentence. Jumlatun. Okay. What is the meaning of sentence, brother? Huh? What is the meaning of it? Sentence is a group of words which make complete sense, brother. If it does not, a group of words which does not make complete sense, then it is not a sentence. Then we can call it a phrase. Okay, we call it a phrase. So here we are concerned with sentence. Okay. Now, brothers and sisters, in Arabic language, there are 2 kinds of sentences. How many kinds? 2 kinds. One is called al-jumlatul ismiyatu, and other is called al-jumlatul fi'aliyatu. Fi'al. Remember, fi'al means verb. Fi'al, fi'alun means verb. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Fi'alun means verb. Okay. So, it's very simple. Al-jumlatul ismiyatu, what do we call in English? Nominal sentence will begin with a noun. And al-jumlatul fi'liyatu, in English, verbal sentence will begin with a verb. Okay, fine. Easy, very easy. As I promised you, it's all halwa puri, brother. Okay? But we will have to be prepared for some hard chickpeas also. Okay, brother. If it is a sentence, be it a nominal or verbal, be it a jumlatul ismiya or al jumlatul fi'liya, what are we looking into it? What are we looking into it, brother? You see, my approach is that I tell you all these things in the beginning so that slowly you are getting stronger. And at the same time, I tell you not to worry if you forget or if you do not understand completely. Don't worry. It will come to you. If you will come to the class, things will be repeated and you will learn more about it, inshallah. But let's talk about in English. A nominal sentence has 2 parts. It's broken into 2 sections. Section number 1, subject. What is section number 2? Predicate. Subject is a noun that we are talking about, and predicate is a statement about the noun. It gives a little more detail. What do we call subject in Arabic? So you are going to learn that thing. But if you do not retain today, don't worry. It will come to you slowly. Subject in Arabic is called al-mubtada. Al-Mubtada. Or you can simply say Mubtada. What will you say? Mubtada. Those who know Urdu, for them it's very easy. Because they use Mubtada. Jisse ibtida hoti hai. Things with which you begin something. Mubtada. What is the meaning of Mubtada? The thing which begins with. Okay? Something that is used to begin something. Mubtada. Okay? Subject. And what is called predicate in Arabic? Very simple. Khabar. आज की ताज़ा खबर क्या है? खबर. Al-khabaru. Or you will say khabar. Are you with me?
What does khabar mean?
Khabar means news. What is the meaning of khabar? News. But as I said, brother, in English, we have subject and predicate. Are you with me? But in Arabic, we have mubtada and khabar. Are you with me, brother? Subject, predicate. Subject means mubtada, predicate means khabar. Every sentence, if it is a jumla ismiya, are you with me? Every sentence, if it is a jumla ismiya, will have these two parts. There will be a subject and there will be a predicate. Now, in the beginning, we are dealing with simple sentences. As we go deeper and deeper, then we will be learning a lot more. Things will get a little complicated. But brothers and sisters, I have experienced something. The more the complicated a thing becomes, more interesting it becomes. It becomes very interesting. Because then, Arabic is like mathematics and algebra, like a science. Everything is scientific in Arabic. Brother, Arabic is such a beautiful language. And it's easy to learn. Remember my word. It's easy to learn. And I will prove it to you. But you got to work hard. If you don't work hard, then you will find it very difficult. But if you work hard, it's very easy, very enjoyable, brother. Very enjoyable. Okay, so we are going to learn more about nominal sentence. Nominal sentence has two parts. Are you with me, brother? And one is subject and one is predicate. And in Arabic, we'll say it has mubtada and it has got khabar. Fine, brother? I ask you something. Can you form a simple sentence in English, Sister Salma? Form any simple sentence. What did you say? This is a pen. Now, I think ye naya hai. What will you say? Al-kalamu jadidun. What will you say? Al-kalamu jadidun. Same thing here. Al-kitabu jadidun. Or if it is an old book, what will you say? Al-kitabu kadim. But remember, you always started with al. This is what I want to point out. If you make a simple English sentence, you'll always begin with the. We have never thought about it. But now you can think about it. You will always say, the car is beautiful. The car is new. The house is big. The boy is intelligent. The girl, the girl is beautiful. Okay? The chair is new. The chair is broken. The house is broken. You will always start with, what did you start with? The. It means you started with a definite noun. So it means subject is always definite. It means mubtada will be always definite. Are you with me? Mubtada will be, most of the time, it is definite. Sometimes it will be indefinite, but most of the time it will be definite. And then, brother, what about the khabar? Khabar will be most of the time indefinite. Huh? The house is new. Huh? Now, mind you, when you say new, it is an adjective. So you won't say a in it because it's an adjective. Huh? But if I say Muhammadun, Muhammad is a doctor. So what will you say? Muhammadun tabibun. Huh? So tabibun is a indefinite. Are you with me? If I say Muhammad is a student, what will you say? Muhammadun talibun. Did you see talibun? Muhammad is definite, but talibun is indefinite. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Now, more example, brother. Haza baytun. Are you with me? Baytun, a house. But haza, okay, actually it is definite. We are not going to go in detail now, but later on we will explain you that even haza is a definite. Because when you point out to something, it is something particular. But we will go in detail later on. Pardon me if I sometimes go in some details, but don't worry. Whatever you can retain in your mind, you retain it. Now I come to the conclusion, brother. The mubtada will be most of the time definite. And the khabar will be indefinite. Rule number 1. Sister Salma, rule number 2. Are you everybody listening? Brothers and sisters? Mubtada will always be marfu. Are you with me? Mubtada will always be marfu. What is the meaning of that? It will end with a dhamma. See, now we are coming, right away we are coming to what we were trying to say in the beginning. That noun can be marfu, can be mansub, and can be majroor. Are you with me? Sister Naima? Noun declines. Are you with me, sisters? Noun declines. It can be marfu, it can be mansub, or it can be majroor. Now, as I said, we want to know why they are marfu and mansub and majroor. So if it is a mubtada, it will always be marfu. Khalas. Got the idea, brother? If it is a mubtada, it will always be marfu. And if it is news, khabar, then also it will always be marfu. I repeat again. Nominal sentence has 2 parts. What are they, Sister Naima? Subject and predicate. I am using English so that you don't get gabbarified. Okay? I will use English also. But by the time you are in book 2, you have everything in your mind, inshallah. Inshallah. Then you will love to say Arabic terms, So, sisters, Jumla Ismiya, nominal sentence has 2 parts. One is subject and other is predicate. In Arabic, one is mubtada and other is khabar. Now I am telling you the subject is always marfu. Means it will end in a dhamma. And the predicate will always be marfu. Are you with me? Predicate will always be marfu. Sister Fatima, is it clear? Brothers and sisters, if you don't understand, ask me. I will repeat as many times as is necessary to make it very clear to you. Sister Faiza, ask me if you don't understand anything. Okay. Brothers, same applies to you. I'm not doing special favors. Brothers and sisters are all equal to me. Yes, Sister Salma?
I have a question. So khabar is not definite, but it is a marfu.
Yes. Remember, when the noun is definite or indefinite, doesn't matter. But if it ends with a dhamma, then it is marfu. Then it is marfu. Okay? Okay. Is it clear to you now? Now, in a simple sentence, see, I approach this way. In other classes, they just translate. And I feel if I start slowly now with you, these rules, let it take time. By the time you are in book 2, you are very comfortable. You are enjoying everything because everything is making sense to you. If I don't do this, brother, and this is what happened to me when I did not understand, when we went to book 2, and when they were talking about all these things, brothers, I was really lost. It took me a lot of time to understand the rules. So I do it slowly from the beginning. One more time I'll repeat. A nominal sentence, Jumla Ismiya, has 2 parts. One is subject, the other is predicate. One is mubtada and the other is khabar. Every time we look into the nominal sentence, we will look for that. And the mubtada or the subject is always marfu. And the khabar is always marfu. This is rule number, very important grammar rule. Brother, when we go deeper and deeper, things will come in different colors. Are you with me? They'll come in different colors. But by that time, your mind will be in a state you will be able to understand it. Inshallah. Okay? Because right now we are dealing with simple sentences in which it is very simple and easy to identify mubtada and khabar. And you will see mubtada is marfu and the khabar is marfu. And if there are no vowel signs, we will still make it marfu. Brother Muhammad? Okay. So, brothers and sisters, here we come. Al-kalamu maksurun. What did I say? Al-kalamu maksurun. Is al-kalamu marfu? Yes. Is maksurun marfu? Yes. Okay. Both are marfu. Al-kalamu maksurun. The pen is broken. Are you with me? Okay, brother and sister, what is al-kalamu? Yes? Is broken. Now, when I say, what is al-kalamu? And if you say the pen, then I'll tell you, I know that. But I want a little more now. It is a subject. What is it? Brother Samad? Now we are going in little detail. What is al-kalamu? Mubtada. Are you with me? What is al-kalamu? Oh, where is the khabar? What about the pen? Tell me more about the pen. Where is the khabar? Maksurun. It's broken. Are you with me? So mubtada and khabar. Mubtada and khabar. Sister Faiza? Are you with me, brothers? Sister Farhan? Is it clear, brother? Inshallah? Brother, you too? What's your name, brother? Farooq, mashallah, mashallah. Brother, is it clear? If you don't understand, ask me. Fine. Next sentence, brother. Al-babu maftuhun. What is the translation of al-babu? The door. What did you say? The door. Definite. You use that. Okay, and what is it now? What is the news? Is open. Okay, now we go in Arabic. Al-babu. What is al-babu? Mubtada. What is maftuhun? Khabar. The news. Are you with me? Is it clear? Brother, inshallah, you will go home and you will concentrate on it. And tomorrow when we meet, we will still be repeating these things. I'll briefly revise everything, inshallah. We won't go further in lesson 4. No. We will go slowly. Brother, al-waladu, the boy. What it can be? It started the sentence. It's marfu. It started the sentence, so it has to be marfu. And more than that, it's mubtada. The sentence begins with a noun. So it is a nominal sentence. Jumla Ismiya. But today, this thing is new to you. But I assure you, in few days, you will tell me, I feel I knew this from my childhood. I knew these things from the very beginning. Are you with me? It will become very easy to you. Today is the first day, but it seems you are all understanding well. But tomorrow we are going to repeat these things again. Okay? Al-waladu, the boy, that is our mubtada. What is the news? Translated? The boy is sitting. So he is sitting. Is sitting is the news. Sahih? Mubtada, khabar. Very good, brother. Al-mudarrisu, and waw is and, al-mudarrisu, mubtada. Where is the khabar? Waqifun, standing. Are you with me? So here we have got simple sentences and we are easily identifying the words in it. One is mubtada, other is khabar. Jumla ismiya, mubtada and khabar. Mubtada marfu, khabar also marfu. Are you with me? But now this is only the basic. We got to learn a lot more. But once all these things are there, then when you will read Quran, inshallah, it will come to you in different colors. You will understand things that you never understood before. Inshallah. Okay. Next, okay. Now, brother, Al-Kitabu, what is it? Al-Kitabu Jadidun. Okay. So what is Al-Kitabu? Mubtada. Marfu, it is marfu, mubtada is always marfu. And then Jadidun, khabar. Khabar, see it has got tanween, indefinite. Okay. Now, brother, we got to, I must tell you something else. See how far-sighted and clever Dr. Abdul Rahim is. If he says Jadidun, the next word has opposite of it. What is it? Qadimun. So it makes it easy for us to learn new words. Okay, brother? Okay. Al-Himaru Saghirun. Then what is the opposite of Saghir? Kabir. So it's easy for us to memorize. Are you with me, brother? How clever Dr. Abdul Rahim is. He's choosing words in a way that makes it very easy for us to understand and also to memorize. Here we are, brothers and sisters. Okay. Al-Kitabu Mubtada, Jadidun is the khabar. Are you with me? The translation is, the book is new. Wal kalamu and the pen. Wal kalamu and the pen. Wal kalamu and the pen. Qadimun. That is your khabar. Next one. Al himaru saghirun. The donkey is small. Wal hisanu kabirun. And the horse is big. Al kursiyu maksurun. What is the translation? The chair is broken. Now analyze it in a simple way. Mubtada and khabar. Khalas, brother. Mubtada and khabar. Sahih? Okay, very good. Al-mindilu wasikhun. The handkerchief is dirty. Now, these are the vocabs. You have to do it at home. Put an effort and memorize it, brother. So, same thing. Mindilu mubtada. Where is the khabar? Wasikhun. Are you with me? Okay. Next one, brother. Al-ma'u baridun. Do you see the khabar is indefinite? All the time indefinite coming. Al-ma'u baridun. The water, you said the water. Remember? I'm just pointing out to you that mubtada is always definite. Definite. And marfu, of course. Al-ma'u baridun. Al-ma'u barid. The water is cold. Okay. Al-kamaru jamilun. Al-kamaru jamilun. The moon is beautiful. Mubtada and khabar. Okay. Al-baytu mubtada. Qareebun, the house is near. And what is the opposite of qareeb? Ba'id. Wal masjidu, and the masjid is far. Are you with it? Al-hajaru, the rock, the stone, thaqilun, heavy, heavy. Okay? And what is the opposite of thaqilun? Khafifun, light. So see, brother, very easy to memorize. Thaqilun, khafifun. Kabirun, saghirun. Jadidun, kadimun. So it's very easy, brother. Qareebun, ba'idun. Very good. Al-hajaru, thaqilun. The rock is heavy. Wal waraku, what is waraku? The page, a paper. Okay. Khafifun, light. Okay. Al-labanu harun. Harun. Because the shadda is on ra. So you got to pronounce it properly. Harun. Al-labanu mubtada. Where is the khabar? Harun. Harun is your khabar. Fine. Al-kamisu. Meaning, what is the meaning? Al-kamisu? The shirt. What about it? Give us the news. Nazif. It's clean. So what is al-kamisu? Mubtada. Where is the khabar? Nazifun. Brother, tell me, isn't it easy? I hope you will find it easy. If not today, Sister Salma, tomorrow definitely, inshallah. Because we will be repeating these things, inshallah. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? I'm not? Okay. I'll go one more exercise because I want you to do on your own this exercise. Brother, ikra waktub ma dabtil awakhiril kalimati. Means, put the proper vowel signs at the end. Okay. It's not given. Now you got to tell me very loudly. Masjidun, mashallah, mashallah. And al-masjidu, oh, alhamdulillah, alhamdulillah. Al-ma'u. Next one? Mashallah, mashallah. Al-baytu, oh, tu. Al-baytu. Got to be careful, brother. If you say al-baytun, I got a very weak heart. I'll get heart attack. It has to be al-baytu. Okay. And then ba, bun, kala, mun, al-kala, mu, mashallah. Al-kal, bu, kal, bun, kami, sun, wala, dun, al-haja, ru. Al-waladu, ma-run, al-hima-ru, al-hisa-nu, hisa-nun. MashaAllah. So you are understanding definite and indefinite. Tanween with al single. Are you with me? Now, brothers and sisters, you got to write all these things. This is ikra waktub. So, a lot of homework. I hope you will find time. I know you got a lot of responsibilities. You have children, husband, businesses. Do as much as you can, brother, inshallah. Okay, now, brother, we go back to page number 1. We go to page number 1. Okay? Number 1. What is the first sentence, brother? Hada baytun. I want you to analyze it. Is it a Jumla Ismiya? Yes. Brother, that goes without saying because we haven't come across Jumla Failure. And it will come later on. So all are Jumla Ismiya. What are you looking for? Sister Salma? Mubtada and Khabar. We are only looking for these two things. Okay. So when you say Hada Baytun, where is Mubtada? Hada is your Mubtada. And remember, it is definite. It is definite. Because when you say Haza, you are pointing out to something particular. So it is definite. In fact, let me tell you a rule. Are you listening? Are you listening? All pronouns What did I say? All pronouns are definite. All pronouns are definite. Because the pronoun replaces noun. We will learn more about pronouns, inshallah, in 2-3 days. A lot we will learn. Okay? So hadha is the pronoun, and pronouns are all definite. Huh? Okay? By their nature, they are all definite. Okay, fine. Hadha baytun. So hadha is definite. Because we know mubtada has to be definite most of the time. In the Quran, we will learn the sentences in which mubtada is indefinite. And you will be amazed. You will love it when we will go through some of the sentences in the Quran. And it will amaze you, brother. Now you will feel that thing in your heart, inshallah. Okay, hadha baytun. What is hadha? I know this. Mubtada. What is hadha? Mubtada. Oh, where is the khabar? But I told you this is all halwa puri. Now do you believe me? It is all halwa puri. Okay, hadha masjidun. What is hadha? Mubtada. Where is khabar? Masjidun. ठीक है? Fine. Hadha babun. Where is mubtada? Hadha. Babun khabar. So all these are simple sentences. They are nominal sentences. They are jumla, ismiya, and they are mubtada and khabar. These are all simple. But be prepared to come across some hard chickpeas. And then we will be ready to analyze it, inshallah. Okay, fine. Now, from now onwards, you must understand one thing. We will try to analyze every sentence that will come in front of us. If the sentence is a question, what did I say, brothers and sisters? If the sentence is a question, we will not analyze it. We won't attempt to analyze it. Till we go in book 3. Till we go in lesson number 10 in book 3. We will not analyze it. Questions, just leave it aside. Don't even attempt. Don't make an attempt. Because it will confuse you. And you will ask me a question. You will confuse me. And when I try to explain you, I will not be able to remove your confusion. So questions, we will keep it aside. Statements, we will try to analyze, inshallah. And you will find it easy, inshallah. And I'll work my utmost to make it easy, inshallah. Okay, brother? Hadha baytun we know. Hadha kamisun we know. Everything we know, brothers and sisters. Okay, now we come to brothers and sisters. Okay. Hadha tabibun, hadha waladun. You know all these things. So if I say hadha waladun, what I'm saying? Mubtada khabar. Hadha tabibun, mubtada khabar. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Very good. And where are we now? I come to now. Okay. Zalika. Zalika najmun. Zalika najmun. Where is mubtada? Zalika. Najmun is khabar. Remember, mubtada is marfu. So, zalika is marfu. What is zalika? A pronoun. Are you with me? Zalika is pronoun. And all pronouns are definite. Definite. Are you with me? All pronouns are definite. Okay. Fine, brother. Zalika baytun, it's easy. Zalika sarirun is easy. Zalika imamun is easy. Mubtada khabar. So, brother, these are all very easy. I think I will go to the page number 15, exercise number 2. Brothers and sisters, I'll go to exercise number 2 to, do it a little bit. We'll finish at 12:30 sharp, inshallah. Maybe 5 minutes early we'll finish. No vowel signs, brother. Dr. Abdul Rahim thinks you know everything now. No vowel signs. Brother Muhammad, you got to figure out. But you know, if it starts with al-maktabu, it has to be, okay, we are still in marfu. So you can close your eyes and start putting dhammas. There's no problem there. Al-maktabu maksurun. Mubtada khabar. ठीक है? Okay. Al-mudarrisu. Yeah. So now you got to When you will write in the book, you will write down mudarrisun. Write it properly, brother. Write it properly so that we get an idea. Okay. Al-Qamisu wasikhun. Mubtada khabar. Sahi? Are you with me? Al-Labanu. What is the meaning of it? Cold. I want you to go home and memorize the vocabs. Because we are going to repeat this tomorrow. Okay. Al-Masjidu Maftuhun. You will always say dun dan din. You got to say it loudly. Dun dan din. Okay. Masjid is open. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. Al-Hajaru Kabirun. Meaning? Stone is big. What is the analysis? Mubtada khabar. Are you with me, brother? Al-labanu baridun. The milk is cold. Mubtada khabar. Wa, what is wa? Ataf. And, conjunction. And what is wal ma'u? Wal ma'u harun. The water is hot. Baridun harun. Opposite. Cold. Hot. Fine, brother. Al-Muhandisu. What is the meaning of Muhandisu? Engineer. Al-Muhandisu Jalisun. It is sitting. Where is Mubtada? Al-Muhandisu Jalisun Khabar. Okay. Wal-Mudarrisu Al-Mildilu Wasikhun. Al-Labanu Harun. Al-Labanu Harun. Okay. Got the idea? Tell me, is it difficult, brother? No, I don't think so. But if you find you are not getting 100% grip on it, don't worry. Tomorrow we are going to revise it. Okay, brothers and sisters? Now, next one. What is given here? Can you see the next one? What is given here? It is the khabar that has been given. So we have to bring a proper mubtada. But then we have to bring it from our head. It's not mentioned here. And mubtada is marfu and it is also definite. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? It is definite. Fine. Nazifun. Something is nazifun. Something is clean. Are you with me? Tell me. Al-Kamisu nazifun. So you started with al. Mubtada. Are you with me, brothers? Al-Khamisu. MashaAllah. MashaAllah. Next one is Maksurun. Something is broken. Al-Kalamu Maksur. So you are bringing now Mubtadas. Very good. Baridun. Something is cold. Al-Ma'u Baridun. Al-Labanu. Whatever you want to think of. Karibun. Karibun. Al-Masjidu Karibun. Or Al-Baitu Karibun. Whatever you can say. Okay, brother? Something is far. An-Najmu or Al-Kamaru. Al-Kamaru Baidun. Very good, brother. Somebody is standing. At-Tabibu or Al-Mudarrisu or Al-Waladu Waqifun. Koi khada hai na? So we put that person in as a mubtada. Al-Mudarrisu Waqifun. Inshallah. Somebody is sitting, brother. Who's sitting? Al-Muhandisu Jalisun or Al-Waladu Jalisun. Are you with me, brothers? Okay. Now, something is very big. Al-Baitu Kabirun. You can say, when you drive down Bayview and Lawrence, you see all those monster homes, Then when you are driving, you can say, Hazal Baitu Kabirun. This house is big, Al-Baitu Kabirun. Okay. Fine, brothers and sisters. Something is old. Yes, you can say Al-Rajulu. The man is old. Yes. Al-Kitabu Kadimun. Al-Kalamu Kadimun. Al-Sariru Kadimun. Whatever. But it will be with Al. Because you're using Mubtada now. Bringing in Mubtada. Very good, brothers. Something is new. At-talibu jadidun. The student is new. Or al-mudarisu jadidun. Or al-kalamu jadidun. Al-kitabu jadidun. Al-kursiyu jadidun. You can say anything you want. You will be able to use simple sentences now, brother. And you will be able to make your own sentences. So, brothers and sisters, al-jumlatul ismiyatu. What did I say? Nominal sentence. Al-jumlatul ismiyatu has got two parts. In English we say subject and predicate. In Arabic we say mubtada and khabar. They are both always marfu. They will end with a dhamma. They will end with a dhamma. And the mubtada is most of the time definite. And khabar most of the time. Sometimes it can be definite. Most of the time indefinite. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Now, can you see here Muhammadun Rasulullahi? What kind of sentence is this? Jumla ismiya. What kind of a sentence is this? Because it started with Muhammad. This is not Jumla ismiya. This is not, Jumla ismiya here. Okay? This is ismiya, but we'll learn later on, inshallah. This is not Jumla ismiya. Okay? But this is Jumla ismiya. Muhammadun. So where is Mubtada? It has got tanween. Is it definite, indefinite? Definite. Why it is definite? Because it is a proper noun. Name. Fine, brother. How about this? Allahu. Definite. What is this? Jumla ismiya. What is this? Mubtada. Where is the khabar of this? Ghafur. Allahu Ghafur. Allah is most forgiving. And here, I'm not going in detail because in the next lessons we'll go in detail. But Muhammad is the Rasul, is the messenger. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So, to wind up, brother, in Arabic, the nouns decline. Are you with me? Their nouns decline. They can end with a dhamma, or they can end with a fatha, or they can end with a kasra. If they end with a dhamma, we call it marfu. If they end